Hello students, welcome back to our channel Food Tech Online. So today will be our class 4 on few important questions related to food technology subject of GATE. So all those aspirants who are preparing for the GATE examination, I would say they must watch this video till end. So let us proceed. First try to pause and solve the questions by your own, and at the end to comment down your score out of 25. So number 1. Dash is naturally occurring stabilizers used in ice creams and beverages. Option A guar gum, option B gelatin, option C lecithin, and option D none. So here the correct answer is option number A, that is guar gum. So actually guar gum, it is derived from the guar beans and it improves the texture and viscosity of the product. Even this gelatin and lecithin, these two also acts as an stabilizers, thickeners, or as an emulsifiers, but these two are not the naturally occurring stabilizers. So next question number 2. Lecithin is option A alkaloids, option B glycosides, option C phospholipids, and option D all of these. So lecithin, it is a option C phospholipid. Even lecithin, it works as an emulsifier. So here the correct option is option number C, that is phospholipid. Number 3. Hydrophilic substances that give a viscous solution or dispersion when treated with hot or cold water are A. Guar, B. Plant exudates, C. Gums, D. Acacia. So here the correct answer is option number C, that is gums. So these hydrophilic substances that give a viscous solution or dispersion when treated with hot or cold water, these are called as hydrophilic colloids or the hydrocolloids. So these are used in variety of food products for in mainly in thickeners or in stabilizers or as in emulsifiers. So few examples of these hydrocolloids, these can be xanthan gums or the pectins, agars. So here the answer is correct option is option number C, that is gums. Question number 4. The set of various reaction in which sugar and amines combine together and result in browning is called option A melanoids, option B Maillard reaction, option C blanching, and option D none of these. So the set of various reactions in which sugar amines they combine together and they result in the browning, the reaction is known as Maillard reactions, that is option number B. So this reaction, it is a complex of the chemical reactions between amines and carbonyl compounds, say for example sugar. So to ultimately it forms an amatory product. So here option number B is correct. Question number 5. Deficiency of which vitamin is associated with neural tube defects? So option A vitamin B3, vitamin B6, C vitamin B9, and D vitamin B1. So the correct option is option number C, that is vitamin B9. So write down the names of all these vitamins. Next question. Question number 6. The phenomenon in which a substance occurs in different crystalline form is known as option A triglycerides, option B polymorphism, option C polymorphic crystals, option D none of these. So the phenomenon in which a substance it occurs in different crystalline forms, these are known as polymorphism. So polymorphism, it is a form of an isomerism, and any crystalline material can exhibit this phenomenon. So for example, you can say that allotropy, it refers to the polymorphism of chemical elements. So here the correct answer is option number B, that is polymorphism. Question number 7. Oxytocin and vasopressins are example of option A glutathione, option B peptide hormones, option C anserine, and option D alkaline. So here the correct answer is option number B, that is peptide hormones. Even this oxytocin and vasopressins, they are also known as often they are referred to as a curdle hormones. Question number 8. Methods used to remove hydratable gums in soybean oil is called option A washing, B peeling, C water degumming or degumming, and D cleaning. So the correct answer is option number C, that is water degumming or degumming. Actually this degumming, it is a process of hot water, it is actually hot water is added to the oil and it is thoroughly mixed, and then the water molecule it gets bond to the hydrophilic hydratable parts of the gums and it creates a large mass of material. Now this which can be then further removed from the oil. So this water degumming method, it is the oldest method for the treatment and it forms the basis for the formations of the gums and further which is used as for the production of the commercial lecithin. So the here the correct answer is option number C, that is water degumming or the degumming. Number 9, carmosin is a food additive used as a option A liquefying agent, option B moisturizing agent, option C flavor, and option D color. So carmosine is a food additive which is used as a color. So this it is a artificial coloring agent. So it is actually a synthetic coal tar dye that has been used in the food industry, and which is and it actually adds a red coloration to the food products for in mainly it is used in candies and in confectionaries, in beverage industries. Question number 10. Which enzyme is denatured at blanching temperature? Option A peroxidase, option B catalase, option C oxidase, and option D lipase. So actually what is blanching? So blanching actually it is a process of scalding of vegetables or the fruits in the boiling water or steams for a short period of time, and then it is followed by rapid cooling in the ice water. This process is actually done to inactivate the enzymes which cause the spoilage or the discoloration of the food. So the enzyme that is the pectin methyl esterase, it is denatured in the blanching temperature, and this enzyme is responsible for the softening of the fruits and vegetables for breaking down of the pectins. So here the correct option will be option number A, that is the peroxidase enzyme. Wait. Yes. Question number 11. Substances used to preserve foods by lowering pH are option A baking powder and soda, option B smoke and dry ice, option C vinegar and citric acid, option D salt and sugar. So here the correct answer is option number C, that is vinegar and citric acids. So these organic acids, when these are added to the food products, so the pH of the food products get decreases. So the bacteria which grow at a temperature, they have an optimum pH growth that is around 6.5 to 7. So this optimum so their optimum pH growth is disturbed and they get inhibited, and hence the food products get preserved. Question number 12. Gas used to package freeze-dried foods. Option A oxygen, B nitrogen, C hydrogen, and D carbon dioxides. So the correct option is option number B, that is nitrogen. To package these freeze-dried foods, that is nitrogen gas is used. Actually this nitrogen gas, it is an inert gas that which can actually this inert gas, what is the function of this inert gas? It can displace oxygen and other contaminants from stored food packaging, which can further minimize the oxidative reactions that would have encouraged the rapid growth of the spoilage. So these freeze dried, it is carried out in three phases. So these phases are freezing, sublimations, and absorptions. Next, question number 13. The only inorganic acid used as a food acidulant is option A succinic acid, option B tartaric acid, option C nitric acid, and option D phosphoric acid. So the correct option is option number D, that is phosphoric acid. So this food grade phosphoric acid is used, and it is actually a colorless liquid which gives a very strong acid tests in the low concentration. So here the correct option is option number D, that is phosphoric acid. Question number 14. Treatment of fruits and vegetables with boiling water and steamed followed by cooling is called option A lye peeling, option B lye dipping, option C blanching, and option D peeling. So the correct answer is blanching. Even we have discussed this point what actually blanching is just 2 to 3 slides before. So next question number 15. What are non-nutrient compounds found in plant derived foods that have biological activity in the body? Option A, nutraceuticals. Option B, phytochemicals. Option C, food additives. And option D, plant proteins. So the correct answer is option number B, that is phytochemicals. Actually, these phytochemicals that are not considered as the essential nutrients, but but it has been seen that they show a variety of biological activities in the body, such as which can include like antioxidants or the anti-inflammatories or the anti-cancers effects. So the correct option is option number B, that is phytochemicals. Question number 16. Food containing live beneficial microorganisms. Option A, prebiotics. Option B, probiotics. Option C, healthy biotics. And option D, all of the options. So the correct option is option number B, that is probiotic. So probiotics are the live microorganisms that are, when consumed in an adequate amount, they provide the health benefits to the host. Even they are found in variety of food products, say in yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and even these probiotics are believed to improve the digestive health. They can even boost the immune systems, even promote heart health, and so on. So here the correct answer is option number B, probiotics. So number 17, the whole food, fortified, enriched food that have a beneficial effect on health is known as. Option A, specialty food. Option B, nutritive food. Option C, convenience food. And option D, functional foods. So these functional foods are a category of food that provides health benefits beyond the basic nutrients. So they have been fortified with vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that have been seen to provide health promoting properties. Even they improve, it is believed that they improve the health health healthy hearts, or reduces the depressions, or they boost the immunities. So here the correct option is option number D, that is functional foods. Number 18. Any substance that may be considered as food or a part of food and provides medical and health benefits, including the prevention and treatment of diseases. So these are called as option A, phytochemicals, option B, pharmaceuticals, option C, nutraceuticals, and option D, all of the options. So the correct option is option number C, that is nutraceuticals. Number 19. Foods which is not standardized under PFA Act but it gets patent, such food is called as. Option A, genetically modified food. Option B, proprietary food. Option C, convenient food. And option D, none of the alls. So the correct answer is option number B, that is proprietary food. So these proprietary foods are those foods that are not covered under the standards of the identical or the quality parameters prescribed by the PFA Act, but are granted as patent for the unique compositions, processings, or packagings. So these foods are marketed as a health or a functional or the nutraceutical foods. So the correct answer is proprietary food, option number B. Number 20. The food which are mainly designed for curing different types of diseases are called A, proprietary food, B, convenient food, C, therapeutic foods, and D, genetically modified food. The correct option is option number C, that is therapeutic foods. 21. Non-digestible foods ingredients that are beneficially affect the host by selectively stimulating the growth or activity of colon and intestinal bacteria, thus A, prebiotics, B, probiotics, C, healthy biotics, D, all of the options. So the correct answer is option number A, that is prebiotics. Actually, prebiotics, it helps to promote beneficial bacteria by promoting foods and creating an environment where microorganisms can flourish. So the correct option is option number A, that is prebiotics. 22. Which of the following are the health benefits of probiotics? A. Antibiotic like actions in body. B. Prevents and treat diarrhea. C. Prevention and treatment of urinary tract infections in females. And D. All of the options. So the benefits of probiotics, it covers all these 3 points. That is the option number D, that all of the option is correct. Number 23. Which of the following protein plays an important role in defense against infection by pathogen? A. Casein, B. Soy protein, C. Zein, and D. Albumin. So the proteins which plays an important role in the defense against infection by pathogens, these are the albumins. So it is actually albumins, these are the proteins which are found in the egg whites, and they are even known for their antimicrobial properties. So the correct option will be option number D, that is albumin. Number 24. The major phytochemicals used as nutraceutical is option A sphingolipids, option B lecithin, option C choline, and option D glucosinolates. So the correct option is option number D, that is glucosinolates. So these glucosinolates actually are the natural components which are present in the pungent foods, say for example the mustards or the cabbages. So here the correct answer is number D, that is glucosinolates. Number 25. The volatile alkaloids responsible for the hotness of pepper. A. Capsaicins. Option B. Sulfur containing compounds. C. Capsaicins. D. Both A and B. So the volatile alkaloids which are responsible for the hotness of the peppers is capsaicins. Actually this capsaicins, it is an active compounds which are present in the chili peppers and even they belongs to the family of capsicums. So here the correct option is option number C, that is capsaicins. Okay, with this we have completed our 25 question answer series of food technology subjects. So thank you everyone, and do subscribe our channel, and other social media links are given in the description box. So till then, enjoy learning. Thank you.